Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of products to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're talking about the best Maxxis Rambler 700x40 tire available in the market. Now, what makes this Maxxis Rambler stand out? Well, let's start with its construction. This tire boasts a 60 TPI carcass, providing exceptional robustness and durability. Whether you're tackling rough gravel trails or cruising along smooth pavement, this tire is designed to handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of the Maxxis Rambler is its tubeless-ready design. Say goodbye to pesky inner tubes and hello to a smoother, more efficient ride. Plus, with its EXO protection, this tire offers top-notch defense against sidewall tears, giving you peace of mind on your adventures. But versatility is where this tire truly shines. Whether you're a gravel bike enthusiast or a commuter looking for reliability, the Maxxis Rambler has you covered. Its directional tread pattern ensures optimal traction in a variety of conditions, so you can confidently tackle any terrain that comes your way. And let's talk about installation. Thanks to its folding bead design, this tire is easy to mount, saving you time and hassle. Plus, with its limited warranty, you can trust that you're investing in a quality product that's built to last. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, the Maxxis Rambler offers exceptional value for money, with prices ranging from $46.88 to $81.27, depending on the size you choose. And with its availability on Amazon, ordering your new tire is just a few clicks away. So there you have it, folks, the best Maxxis Rambler 700x40 tire on the market. With its durable construction, tubeless-ready design, and versatile performance, it's the perfect choice for cyclists of all skill levels. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy riding!